I think they will be able to hear you. Guys, do you hear Noot? Guys, do you hear Noot? Guys,
Oh,
do you hear
get up
Noot?
here.
Now they should be
Wait,
able
are
to.
you not capturing? Are you not capturing game sound? Oh, they do.
No, now I am.
Oh, sweet. Hello. Hi, chat.
Alright, let's try and see if it starts. Because I think when we tried this together the last time, I think I tried pressing some keys and it didn't work, Noot.
Yeah,
That's why I
it's
asked you again to make sure we can actually launch the game, but you insisted,
yeah.
okay?
So yeah, the kind of the point of this is kind of it's intentionally scuffed. Okay,
Yeah?
so like press the any key. All right, go for it. Let's just jump right into it. All right.
Is there a particular key I need to press?
Yeah, space bar.
Okay.
All right, wait. All right, before we start, look at that. Look at that chatter tier list. Okay, you can vote, and if you visit this in your web browser, you can't click that link, but if you copy and paste in your web browser, you'll see the chatter tier list updated live. So if you press thumbs up, thumbs down, and then refresh the site, you will see the chatter tier list get updated. It's not my IP, okay? It's the server.
I'd link the IP in the server so they can see if
I linked it in
it
Twitch
works.
chat.
Did it actually work? I'm not.
I see negative vote on Cal.
Yeah.
Is that all you did so far?
Yes.
So he's at -1. Everybody else is tied. Wow, look at that. So like, and you can't currently add people. I would have to add it if you guys wanted to add chatters, but like this is all like going to be permanent, stored in a database, and you can unvote for people. It doesn't really show you which people that you voted for. I'll update that later, but like you'll have to go to the actual website and look at that picture and see what the rankings like.
If I press again, does it retract?
It'll unvote.
Sorry.
Yeah, you can try it. Go for it. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. It's at 0, and Joax is up 1. Wowie. Look at that.
Wowie. Math.
Yeah, so, and like, yeah, it's really cool. There's a lot of tech that I just wrote in like one day for this. It's pretty neat. Anyway, so...
Can you give two votes to the same person?
No, see, it's so cool. I'm like storing... You have no idea, like the tech that I wrote for this, it's actually really cool. Like, there's pretty much no way you can vote for the same person twice. It's like better than like an IP-based way of, tracking who voted for who. It's a secret, okay? I'm pretty smart, but you can only vote once. So This is like super official. Anyway, so there are no options, okay? You're just gonna have to.
Oh, what happens if I go? Will it crash?
Well, you can try. I don't. It's not gonna do anything. Like you can't select those, but eventually you can. So like, I just want to like to give some context. Like all of this is like from scratch, right? Like you can use an engine, and all this would be way easier. But like I have so much control over this engine since I wrote it myself. So it's like I can pretty much do anything with this, which is like kind of the advantage of writing your own engine. So. We can try to start it. So you go to New Game, and then Game Slot 1. All right, that name is randomly generated. You can enter your name or
any
whatever you
chatter suggestions for names.
Your chat would say bald.
No, that's because the model is bald. Jesus, way to self-insert yourself. I can't really... I'm pressing name and then I'm trying to enter keys and it doesn't actually do anything.
Wait, you have an American keyboard, right?
No, I have a Swedish keyboard.
Oh my word. Alright, no keys are working?
No, like, I'm trying G and like it doesn't show up on the name.
wait, hold on. Try clicking the field again.
Clicking what?
Just to make sure. Like select the field again.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm
like,
doing. Can you
just
not
click
see?
on it?
Can you not see
Wow. That's wild, but it's not. Oh no, first bug. Well, actually, this is like the third bug.
Will it be able to
Alright,
play
alright,
without
so
the name,
click-
or do I need to select the name?
Well, so click the model button. You don't need a name, but like, you can. So you can. Right now, there's just a couple models you can choose from. Empty streaming. That's a disaster. Okay, already off to a bad start.
Wait, what happened?
So you changed your model, but
Yes.
it's a first-person game, so you'll just have to see. Okay.
Okay.
So you can hit go, and yeah. So I'll just let you kind of explore around yourself. Okay, just see, because I'm curious what you're gonna do. Okay, you're just gonna ignore that guy.
Give me 10 seconds.
There's no jumping currently, Banty. I could easily add it. I was actually planning on adding it. I'm going for a very specific gameplay style. Like, if you guys know the Kingsfield games, there's like no jumping in those. It's kind of like a first-person Souls game, and that's kind of what I'm going for here. But yeah, I could add bunny hopping. That would be pretty easy. Because like once again, like I wrote the entire engine myself, so it's very easy for me to add specific behavior. So just to give you the controls idea, E is to interact with stuff. Q is drop. Scroll wheel is like your inventory on the right there. So if you look at your model there, you can kind of see you have. If you look at your hair, and like just to give some context, like all this lighting is very complicated to do by hand, and I did it all by hand. So it looks a little scuffed right now, but I could polish it out later. No feet. There are feet. Look at those feet. Well, okay. I guess it's not really feet. It's okay. And also, all the models and textures and everything are placeholders. So like, I'm not an artist, so I'm eventually gonna pay an artist for the game to actually start looking good. Like all these models I did myself. So that's why it looks really bad. All the I drew the shadows by me. Like all the textures and stuff, those are just placeholders. So it's obviously right. So don't think this is the final look of anything. Okay, it's really just a display of like the tech, and all the art and stuff is placeholder.
Is the gliding supposed to be there long term?
The what?
The gliding.
Glide. Yeah. So like that. See, all this is kind of up in the air, but this is kind of the vibe that I'm going for right now. Is oh, okay. Don't pick that up. Yeah.
Okay.
So you should go back to the guy just to give you just put you on the right track, because there is a quest line for this demo. It's a little scuffed because I wrote it for like in like a day. So yeah, just go back to this guy.
Okay.
And E is interact, remember? And this is all scuffed, but like it's you know, it's very much it's just stuff I did in a day, so it's all right. And if you go back to that hallway, just to get an idea of like some of the lighting, so go left behind you.
No V.
Other way. Yeah, no V bots. Sad. Okay. Yeah, just go around in the circle, and then yeah, and that lighting bug there, I'll fix that later. It's very temporary. So yeah, keep going straight. Yeah, straight, right?
Here?
No, other way.
Oh.
Right. Yeah, but left.
Wait, is this the key?
Right.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Behind you. I wanted you to look at the point light, so go right behind you. Yeah, right there. Go that way. There's a point light there. I just want you to just take a look at that. So like all this lighting is like pretty advanced. There, if you look at your shadow, that gets casted from that. Like look at it casting into the wall. Oh yeah, ignore that. That's just So like look at your shadow. Yeah, there. Look at that. That looks pretty nice. And there's like you can have like pretty much as many lights.
Can I pick this up, or will it?
No, all right. Yeah, you'll see later. That cube, once you're like done with the demo, you can restart it and then pick up the cube, and you'll see it's like I don't want to spoil it, but you could do that later. All right, so yeah, go ahead and follow the quest line, whatever you were gonna do before.
Okay.
And yeah, this whole area could use more lighting, like more lights. But this I made this in like a day, so
Can I pull this
um,
lever?
you can if you want. It's yeah, it doesn't do anything right now.
Oh. Press E while pointing at the elevator while on it to activate. So am I
So yeah,
supposed to do
eventually
that
that
or go
switch.
here?
Ignore that. This is unfinished.
Okay.
Also, can you guys hear the sound? Okay, it seems a little quiet on my end. Because there's like background music and stuff. I don't know if chat can hear it, but
I
like
think I
I
can
worked on like
raise the
a
volume, but
pretty yeah.
Joax is super
There's like a
quiet. I can't tell if it's the Joax is super quiet meme or not.
jokes is always quiet.
Um, yeah, I mean this. Yes, I'm okay. I hear the music fine. It's not like the
Sweet.
loudest music or anything.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a ball here.
Uh, true. So like this whole game is like very physical. Like everything is physics based, which I think is really cool. Like if you push your character forward, it's literally just, doing real physics to push the character around. I think a lot of games don't really do that. A lot of games kind of prioritize, feeling good to move around, but like I think having your character just be physics based, I think that's a pretty unique kind of style. There's a lot of cool stuff that I'm doing. You'll see eventually, hopefully, and a lot of stuff that I didn't include in this demo. That's really. Oh, don't press escape. Press escape again.
Okay. Okay, I was trying to fix the volume thingy. It should be a bit louder now, I think, but I'm not hearing any sound at all.
Yeah, the music stops. It doesn't loop right now. There will be more music
Okay,
later.
because I think the volume
So
was low on my end, so I think I fixed it.
yeah, okay. And then press E on the elevator. There you go. Oh yeah, look at this. Literally Dark Souls elevator. So remember what the NPC said
Gun?
for this quest line. There should be a gun somewhere in here.
There we go.
Okay, so you can see on the right there's your inventory.
Yep.
Mhm.
This is an invisible Dark Souls wall?
E- it's a window. It's supposed to be a window. The
Oh, okay.
texture is not great, but yeah. So your gun is currently pointed down, but you can still shoot. So I just shot the ground. Also, you can kill yourself with your bullet.
Oh.
So
Can I kill myself shooting myself?
yeah.
Okay.
So right click is aim down sights.
Do you pick up bullets on the floor? Because I don't see the random.
No, you have right now you have infinite bullets, but
Okay.
that can change. Yeah. So you can go ahead and go back down now.
Did, did it go up and down? Oh, it's bouncing.
Yeah. It's kind of scuffed on purpose, but like elevator bounces as it falls down. I just think it's funny, but I
I
can
want to
change
go
that.
to the basement. How do I reach the basement?
So it was back in the other hallway.
This way?
Yeah.
Here?
No. One thing. Okay, so you can see your health on top there. If you go back,
That's
go
the
inside
hallway
of that
before?
little. Yeah. So see that little thing to your left?
Yes.
Yeah, in there. If you go in there, and press E while you're looking at
What?
them. All right, ignore that bug. But like, this is a shower.
Yeah, bug.
So this is a shower, and it heals you. But like, obviously, oh yeah, sorry, your game might be a little loud now because you
Oh, is it still too low?
increase the.
Still too low, guys? Do I need to take it down?
Well, like that's just like showing like that's a way that you could heal. It's yeah,
Heal.
it's a shower.
Yeah, I got you.
All right, so go ahead and go back to the other hallway.
This one?
Hmm. So how does it feel overall, like in terms of the controls and stuff?
I like the controls. I'm a bit unused to the glide. I don't know if it's too much glide or if I'm just not
Yeah, I
used
could
to it.
reduce it. Mhm. Cool. I'm glad it feels okay because I spent a lot of time making sure it feels like a good good, first person shooter. My dog needs to go out. Hold on one second.
Is the noises too loud? There's not a lot of noises, but I can reduce the game sound.
All right. Sorry, I was ignoring chat. I'm sorry. There's okay for Yosh asking about the lore, the story. Like, there, I have ideas for a story, but I'm not really overly concerned about it. I think other people. I'm thinking like I could source ideas from the chat from you guys for story, for characters, for like quest lines, stuff like that. Because you guys could probably even implement a lot of that stuff now because I have a pretty useful like I have a wrapper in Lua, which is like a scripting language. It's pretty easy for you to use for a lot of my engines. So you could write a lot of like quest lines and stuff yourself, which I think would be kind of neat to try if somebody has any Lua experience or any coding experience. I think that'd be pretty neat. But yeah, as far as story and stuff like that, there isn't a whole lot. I have ideas, but I'm not super concerned about all of that. Also, I need to let my dog in. Be right back.
Do you think we can shoot the NPC without Noot getting mad? Okay, I didn't think it'd do anything.
Hello?
Was was this dude important?
Oh no, did you shoot him?
Chad told me to. Okay.
Oh no. Okay, yeah. So I think you're hard or soft blocked now. So
we
yeah,
we can redo and
he
see how the
was.
music is. Oh,
Wait, all right, hold on. Go back downstairs anyway. I just want you to see. You didn't kill anything besides that, yeah?
yes,
Can you go downstairs?
sure.
So I want you to let yourself get killed by this next guy, just because the way that I'm doing damage, I think is really cool. You know, in like Souls games, how when you're hit by a boss, you don't really you just take a set amount of damage, right? The boss, if their arm hits you while you're in an attack mode, you take a certain amount of damage, right?
Yes.
It doesn't matter if it's like at the very beginning of the attack or the very end of the attack. If you're just slightly in the wrong spot, then you'll take, that full amount of damage. One thing I'm doing is the amount of damage that you take is dependent on the speed that they're actually moving. So if somebody's arm is like hitting you, the faster it's going, the more damage you take. So like if it's at the very beginning of the attack animation, then you don't take very much damage, which that's kind of the way that it should be. That's one of the things. All right, so yeah, go ahead and go to that room to your right over there. So you missed it. I could use lights in here. I made this level in like a day, so
I'm playing
it's
in Windows, so like oh,
yeah.
let's just
So if
see.
you just let yourself get hit by this guy,
Okay,
oh,
I just
okay,
want to
that was a
clarify.
lot of
This is a
damage.
scripted boss, okay?
Okay. So you have to restart the game. Okay, I didn't implement the death screen yet.
Restart the entire game, or is there a reset?
Yeah,
Oh,
the
okay.
whole game.
Okay.
I didn't get around to that, but so yeah, that model there looks better with lighting enabled. Okay, it's supposed to be a little pig. Okay, it's a little piggy. You just died from a little pig.
Happens to the best of
In
us.
case you didn't know. I really should have added more light. Like with the right lighting, this game looks actually decent. But everything is like so
One
dark right
second.
now.
Is the game too loud for everyone who's listening?
Oh yeah, it's way too loud.
Okay. How about now? Better?
Oh, I think that's good. Your mic is still really quiet, actually.
My mic's quiet?
It's like it's okay. I think it's listenable. Okay,
Okay, yeah, it's
we're
listenable.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you stream
yeah,
on Discord again?
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
So when you restart the game, it loads the current ranking, and then you vote from there. So it's like you can either see the ranking or just restart the website. I don't know if you saw the ranking image, but that gets generated from like a service I wrote. It's really cool. I think I'm just doing so much cool stuff that I've never really done before. Anyway, all right, this is going on way longer than I thought it would. So let's speed run this demo, okay? Wait, did he? Joke, did you downvote me?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't need it. Don't spread lies. Hey.
Alright, let's go and pick up the gun real quick.
Yeah. So eventually you guys can all... I'm being very greedy and making it to where you can only vote through the game because I want people to download it just so I get more, feedback. So I could post the link for you guys if you guys wanted to download the game and vote. I should probably just make it to where you can vote through my website, but that would be more work for me, so I'm probably not going to do that.
I like the game only vote.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, let's see the lighting in here. You said it was pretty good, right?
No, it's bad. Lights.
Oh,
There's no light. I need to add light in here. The game can look really good if you have the right lighting setup. That's more of like an artistic thing. Nice.
Is this loot or?
Those are V-Bucks. That's a package with V-Bucks.
Oh. Yeah,
nice.
obviously.
Look at that. See, like, I think it's really cool. That whole like sequence of events, I did that in like 10 minutes in my engine, just because I have such a flexible Lua wrapper around this. So like the whole V-Bucks thing, that dropping of loot, like that all is like so easy for me to add. So like, oh, don't.
Oh, it crashes the game as well. Wow.
The stakes are pretty high for that, okay?
Yeah, okay. I thought it was a window. It kinda... now we know.
Alright, yo, so that looked like a skybox. If you look closely, a lot of what you're seeing is actually not a skybox. Like, I don't know if jokes like if you have attention to detail, you'd probably notice that there's a lot of really cool stuff going on. But it's kind of hard to tell through the stream. Like that planet under there, like that is a real that's not part of the skybox. And everything is like moving around. Like the sun is moving around, the planet is moving around. It's all pretty cool. All right, there's so much more for you to get to, so don't die again. All right.
I'll try not.
This was supposed to be like a 2-minute demo, okay?
Okay, so kill the thing.
And
get the V-Bucks.
Yeah, and if you want to give yourself more health with that shower again, just to make sure you don't die. Well, granted, you did fall, but. Because I don't have a health cap right now, and eventually there is going to be like an RPG system in here, like where you level up and all that stuff. I'm thinking like pretty much like a Souls game, but I want to do stuff a lot differently. Oh, somebody clicked my game. Wait, rappers? What do you mean? Salt? What do you? Hold on, let me watch this. Wait, Noot's rapper? Salt, what does that clip mean? What does that mean? Jokes, do you know what he meant by that?
No, I've got no idea.
Alright, what are you doing? What's happening?
Alright, I was trying to find the...
How are you, boss? This is like a tiny little level.
Okay, dude.
Also, like, there's a lot of really cool stuff. Like, I'm eventually gonna. It's gonna be like, in terms of exploration, you're gonna be able to explore a bunch of different stages and stuff, and it's gonna be like, I don't want to like how you do that, but and also enemies can be like randomized and stuff like that. There's a ton of really cool stuff that you can do.
Time for the true hurdle of the game, not falling down.
Alright, good job. You did it. Wait, did you stop streaming it too? Oh yeah, you didn't. You didn't start streaming it. Could you re-enable the stream?
Oh, I think the stream. Oh right, because it crashed.
Yeah, because it crashed. Oh, that's just because you died while falling. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Should have been a window there, in my opinion. Better level design.
Uh-huh. Yeah, like level design is something also that like you can eat like there's actually a built-in level editor in the game, which I could show you later if you care. But yeah, go talk to the NPC again. So like you can actually edit this level if you wanted to right now, which is like I think really cool. So look at that. Look at that scripting. Look at that.
Wow.
So you paid with your 5 V-Bucks that you got from the pig, you paid them to repair that. I don't know if you even saw that. There was a little broken thing at the end of that corridor.
Oops.
Oh.
Did he fix it? Or
Yeah, but you killed him. That's kind of rude. You're fine. You can go ahead. As long as he fixed it, then you got what you needed out of him.
Okay. Yeah, just like life.
All right, so that was the console over there. You see that? It's nice and clean now. So I don't know if you saw before. It was all broken before. I don't think you saw. You'd probably notice it better if I had lights.
Yeah, I do
yeah,
think
you'll
there
see.
needs to be a bit more light. I think because
I
I'm
know.
not playing on full screen either, so like the light of Discord is kind of like making it hard to spot a few details.
All right, so press E slowly. Okay, just a quick little E tap. Okay, this part had a bug. Okay, we're good. All right.
Wow. Here we've got lights. Now we're talking that.
Yeah. See, all right. See, I could have added these in the main area. I could have done that. I am very like, yeah, I just didn't do that. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, go ahead and go inside.
Doesn't look
So you
like
just
any
you just
windows
made a
here.
ship. One thing that I did work on is ship editor. You make your pay with like V-Bucks to pay for ship parts and stuff like that. I have that implemented. I just for this demo, I don't have it in here. So that's a little thing you can go in. You can just go inside. You just gotta run into it for now. It's a scuffed little door, okay?
The physics are cool. Oh shit, I'm gonna fall
Nice.
down.
Okay, this is that you say it's cool, but like that is very buggy, so don't mess with it too much, okay?
Okay.
All right. So you saw 2 engines on the back, right? There were so one of the cool things that I'm doing here is like you can set where you want the engines to be on your ship and set switches to activate those engines. And that's how you like that's how ships work. You just like you play so all of this is all super customizable. This is like I made this in like two seconds, like this ship layout. So and you can easily customize it however you want. That's not in this demo though. Just I need to do more UI work for that. So those are switches there. They're all attached to one engine. You can have them attached to multiple engines. I didn't do that for this one. This is like probably the worst control layout I could have gone with. Each switch activates one engine. Yeah, Kingsfield in space. Yeah, yo. Um, so your goal is to get over to that boss. I don't know if you saw it. That was kind of I did like a dumb thing where like you go up to the elevator, you're supposed to see the boss from there and be like, oh, that's where I have to go. You know, that's kind of what the Souls games do sometimes. So like you'll see something from a vantage point and then you'll try to go to it. That's kind of like it sets a goal in your mind. Oh, I have to go to that, you know?
Yeah.
I didn't do that very well here because I made this in like a day. So but like that's kind of your goal right now. So you can activate those switches to try to get to that boss over there. Little warning: the controls for this are not great. So you could try your best. So that was a good first move there, doing that. That was good. All right, so that one is actually back, which is very intuitive. Okay.
Okay. Which one's front? Oh, there's no
I'll let you
front.
figure
Oh,
it
all
out.
of them are front.
Okay. Harry Davis vibes. Oh no. Okay, so you might want to, yeah. So you're gonna have to back in. Okay, this is like the worst. I'm sorry in advance. Okay, this might be a struggle. I think you might still have the back engine on.
Yeah, I'm putting it
You
on.
might, you can. Well, I mean, you might have a forward engine. Like you might be trying to move forward right now.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go. Look at that. That's not pretty. You see the engines? I think it's pretty cool. Thanks, Joe. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, by the way. This is like really dumb, but like it's something I've been working on like pretty much every night for the past 2 years. Like this whole engine, not this demo. I really want to stress that this demo is a full showcase of what I worked on. This is all very like just a slight preview, and a lot of it is not polished yet. But from here, it'll just be like, you know, okay. Well, you might want to turn off some engines.
I might not be the best gamer, but the ship controls aren't
Right, yeah.
super
I'll
solid.
give you that. Okay, I'll give you that. But like, it's very customizable. Okay, so like, you might want to check. Yeah. So like,
Where was I supposed to end up now again?
over there. Do you see
There.
that ramp over there?
There?
Yeah. Okay. No, left. You see the boss right there? And if you give up, by the way, I could just tell you how to cheat to move yourself over.
Oh, let's do that. Wait, no, I got this.
No, you need to struggle. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Thanks, Salt. Wow.
Wait, it's that ramp
Yeah.
that I'm looking at right now, right?
No, no, that's not a ramp. That's to your left. That's where you came
That's
from.
the
Okay.
ramp.
Dude, how do you have such bad directional sense? Funny. Okay, you got this. I believe. Okay, do you believe in yourself? You just have to believe more. So keep a note of like which ones on the back are activated. You can look back there and see. I'll eventually add it. But right now it's just you have to kind of use
I need to back into the ramp,
visual.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Good luck. We might have to just cheat because I'm gonna grant you it is a little difficult, especially if you're going. You fell out. Oh, shit.
and the game crashed.
All right, so just go pick up the pistol, okay? And I'll show you how to cheat to get there, okay?
Okay, yeah, that'd be appreciated.
Okay, and also, so yeah, the controls are going to be better for the ships and stuff. I'll add more utilities to make it easier. Also, I don't know if you noticed you were spinning as you fell. That's because the ship was actually spinning. Because, like, if you think about it, everything's kind of from a reference point, right? If you're on an object and spinning around and you fall off of it, you should keep spinning, right? You maintain that inertia and stuff. So that's kind of why you were spinning there. That's actually, I don't know if you hear that no noise, but if you keep pressing spacebar right now. All right, this is gonna be a meme game, okay? All the memes. If you guys have any meme ideas, just. Yeah, also for the direction, that part is more easy to do. That kind of just happens intuitively. But when you're actually having to point direction, because if you think about it, your mouse determines pointing, right? So if you're suddenly having to look different places without your intention, that's kind of unintuitive. Like you wouldn't expect to be on a platform that's rotating. You wouldn't expect your cursor to be moving, right? Like your crosshairs to be moving, but that's what actually happens. Which is really unintuitive. You like in terms of just like what's actually happening.
I think it might just work if there's like a, I don't know, like a light bulb on the controls.
True, yeah. I was gonna make the switches like actually toggle, and that's actually all very placeholdery. I eventually want like touch screens and stuff. You could like activate a switch for like 5 seconds. Because I do want to maintain that difficulty of like, wow, this is actually really hard to control, you know? Like, because then at that point it's more tactical. Like, you want to activate an engine for like 5 seconds, and then like, all right, I know it's going to be in this position in 5 seconds, so that's how long I want it to be activated for, you know? I want it to. I don't know if you guys have played like Mech Warrior, for example, those types of games. I want. Like. No game does this, so it's. I don't expect you guys to understand like how what I'm going for, but it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be cool for some people who Mech Warrior, the Mech Warrior games. They're old. I'm a boomer, okay?
Mech Warrior Eagles. Mech.
Wait, that's Egads?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yeah, I don't know why he went with such a vulgar name.
Weird Bethesda. Oh. Also, I don't know if you noticed like the music will like phase from one thing to another. It's like it's like really cool. Okay, like how easy it was just because I have such a good like rapper of Lua. Like all of this was like really easy to add. Oh yeah, okay. You don't actually have to go through this quest line, but if you want to kill the pig, you can. The one enemy in this game outside of the boss.
The only thing I've done right. Do shots go like infinitely, or do they go down?
They drop. And I was planning on having them not. I don't know. This is all very like janky. I spent like 5 seconds thinking about, but I can change. Okay, so go back to the ship terminal, and I'll show you how to cheat your way over there. You are gonna have to enable the editor, so a warning in advance. Okay.
Oh, Konami code.
Okay, so wait, you have the tilde key, right?
Tilde? I don't know what key that is. Can you send an image?
Oh no! Oh no! Okay, so to the left of like your 1 key, try pressing that. I don't know European keyboards. Okay, does anyone know? Okay, there you go. Press it one more time.
Press what? Oh.
Oh no! What happened? Oh no! It doesn't work in this version. Oh no! Yeah, the release version doesn't. Dang! Oh dang! Okay. Okay, you're gonna have to deal with the ship, okay? I believe in you.
Okay. Jesus.
Oh no.
This is a lot of pressure. I didn't sign up for
Yeah,
this.
dang. Oh, the editor doesn't work because it's having to actually modify the real resource files, and the release does not include that. Oh no, I didn't think about that. Oh, chat, I'm sorry. This is gonna be painful. Oh no.
I got this. Don't worry, chat.
Alright, you just gotta take it slow, okay? Take it nice and slow.
Wait, how does it... If I press once, I turn it off, and if I press one more time, it doesn't go quicker. I just turn it off then.
What was that?
If I press the same engine twice, does it turn it off or does it go quicker?
No, it turns it off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's very basic right now. You just toggle it. It's eventually going to be way more sophisticated, but this was stuff that I... Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry, Jokes. I should have tested the editor in the release. Oh, no. Ah.
No, you can go down?
No.
Can I get back up if I press? No.
Oh, no. Disaster. You haven't made it to the boss yet. That's the main part of the game, is the boss. Oh no.
Breaking, whatever that means, okay?
Oh. Alright, you're done. You need to restart, okay? Oh, this is not going as smoothly as I hoped, okay, chat? Oh, let me make the music for you. Lenny, I actually would like for some music. Sorry, I'm late at reading the chat. I'm sorry. Yeah, Lenny, if you wanted to make music for this game, that'd be actually awesome. Because like I was planning on making the music myself, like using music that I've made, but like it really does not fit. Like my music is just bad. I think that's the problem. Okay, you can't be great at everything. Okay, I'm almost great at programming, but everything else I'm just like bad at. So art and like music, all that, I'm really appreciative of anybody who wants to contribute like the character models and stuff. I think that'd be really cool. But before anybody starts doing that though, message me on Discord. I mean, for models and stuff, message me on Discord. Because you have to use a certain rig for the characters and stuff. No money. Oh, Lenny, what a nice guy. I don't expect you to make all. That's gonna get tedious for you, I'm sure. But even music you've already made, for example, if you think it would be a good fit for the game. Who is this? Who's who? It's me. Hello? All right. Yeah, you got this, Jokes, okay? I'm actually a little worried you're not going to make it to the boss. I guess I could quickly make a new build of the game to make it just spawn at the boss. Dude, Lenny, yeah, that would be awesome. I don't no expectations though. If you're not up to it, just let me know. I won't mind. But like anything that you can contribute, that'd be awesome. And also, like, I don't know if you guys were there when I was talking about it, but like, I'm planning on making like, because it's super easy for me to add NPCs with custom character models, all that. So I was planning on making chatters as NPCs because this is going to be like a meme game, you know? Like, I'm not trying to take it super seriously. Oh no. All right, don't worry about that. All right, it's minor bugs. Okay. Oh no.
Fine, it happens. All right, now for the
All right.
real.
Yep. This is the real game. Okay.
This is just like Malinia.
True.
Okay, so.
All right. Yeah. Yep. So I'd start with those. Yeah, those two are pretty good for just like rotating and moving forward. Because you turn on that one and the one, then you'll move forward. Because those are the left back and right back engines. So if you have both of them on, you'll move forward.
So if I have this one on, I'll turn forward. Just go forward now.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
Oh, that's really cool, actually. That I get shot forward.
Yeah, exactly. See, that's a minor look into what I think is really cool about this kind of style. Like, you could have a ship go out of control, spinning around, and you'll be pinned in a corner, for example. Like that's kind of stuff that no game does that is easily done in this game. Like I've already experimented with that, and it's like super easy. Like there could be a weapon you like shoot at a opposing because there's gonna be ship combat in this too. Like there's gonna be NPCs. I already have that all working where NPCs can navigate around a ship. I have the pathfinding all implemented. Like there's a lot of stuff that I implemented that actually isn't shown in this demo. But I think is going to be really cool. So you can have like a weapon that attaches to an enemy ship and like rotates it around. So or maybe they'll get flung out. You know, if there's a door that's opened, and there's like locks and stuff. You can lock doors shut. I have that all implemented. You're doing really good, by the way. This is nice. Taking it nice and slow. This is well done so far. All right, I think you can start moving back now. You can look out the back window. Oh, okay, maybe not. Maybe more rotation.
Do I need the left one or the right one?
Left.
There we go. There we go.
Nice. You're doing it. Here you go. Oh, lady just said I'm smart and talented. Wow, thank you. Oh, dang. I have a meeting in 15 minutes. So you have a 15-minute time.
Jesus.
What's happening? Are you stuck?
I don't
Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, so the one you just turned off is kind of a strafing one. Strafing engine. You might need to enable like a combination of switches here to rotate it better. Eventually, you can have a switch attached to multiple, and you can currently have it attached to multiple switches, so it would be easier to rotate around. I just didn't hook that all up because I had more. I assumed that you were like a pilot in real life, but I was mistaken. Okay.
I'm not sure a pilot could run this ship.
There is a skill to it, okay? You can eventually learn. Like I can reliably make it in like 5 minutes. Okay.
Oh, we're
Oh,
moving.
look at you go! Look at you go! Okay, you might want to turn off some engines to
I'm
make
not
sure you
sure
don't
which
hit
one
the
I
wall
need
too
to
fast.
turn off. That's the
Oh
problem.
no! All right, the left one, left. And, oh no. Okay, so it's gonna be the left front and right. Yeah, that one, and then the rightmost. Rightmost. That one. Yeah, I think you did it. Okay, angle is a little wrong, but um, tough one. I propose the left front. That one, yeah. There we go. Nice. This is good. This is pretty good. We're doing it.
It was this
Oh,
one, right?
Yosh, yeah. Yeah. So Yosh, that's actually a good idea. The lighting in this game is actually really cool. Like I should post some screenshots of like what this game looks like with like the ambient down. So like as the sun moves around, or the ambient go down. And so things get really dark. And if you have one light source, like in a room, it looks really. Or you can turn it off now. You should be good. All right, now start going
Right,
back.
I'll take your word for it. I think it's a bit crooked, but
It's fine. It's a little ramp there, so yeah, I'm making it easy for you. It's just
yeah.
like a gigantic. All right, see the enemy? See that boss that you're about to fight? So this is like what I was talking about, where the arm. See how big that arm is? This is just to display that of like how quickly the arm is moving. Oh, you. Oh no! Don't get hit a single time. Okay.
Wait,
There's.
can I
I'm
cheese
just
it?
gonna spoil. Yeah. So like there is a shotgun over there too. There's a on the ground laying around.
Can I shoot
You can
from
also
here?
just sure.
Oh wait, we're gonna test the arm. Fuck, I don't wanna die.
Well, I don't want you to die.
I should have maxed out the
All right, all right,
shower.
all right. Yeah, you should have. So like, go pick up the shotgun just to show the shotgun real fast,
It's
and
in there,
then
right?
switch back. Yeah, that's it.
How quick is this thing?
Um,
Can I make it over there?
we'll see. You see how it's moving around? All right, one before you. Oh, oh. Oh my word. So the animations in this are actually really cool. I don't know if you see how smooth the animation
It
is.
looks
It
really
is
good.
very.
Yeah, it looks
Yeah,
really
I
good.
mean, so like, and this is just a scuffed animation I made. Okay? It's like if we have a real artist actually come in here and like make this, like I just made this model in like 5 minutes and I animated it with like 3 animations. But like I think it looks really smooth just because of the way that I'm interpolating animations. All right, so this shotgun is kind of scuffed. Okay, those bullets.
Why did you make me pick this up? It's useless.
It's because you have to get close to him. Okay, it's a shotgun.
Oh no, it's because I'm moving. I
But
think the bullets move with me, right?
true, they do. That's kind of how bullets work in real. Do you have to implement all the bones? Yeah, all the bones, all the rigging, all that I implemented myself. So if somebody wants to make check with the rigging, and you can just make a model around that rig. Alright, I think you should switch to the pistol because like the shotgun is not effective far away,
Didn't use
and
it.
I think you should be.
Oh no, I killed it.
Oh, you killed it! Nice, good job. Look at you go. Okay, that's the end of the demo. Okay, that's literally all there is right now. But keep in mind, I made this in a day. Okay, so hey, you did it. Good job. Look at you go. You want to restart and pick up that thing that I said not to pick up, just because like it'll kind of showcase like an idea for an item that is really scuffed, but I think it could be cool. Thanks for doing this, Joax. Thanks everybody for tuning in for this really quick demo of what I've been working on. If you want to contribute art or ideas, there is a game updates Discord text channel in my server. You can give some thoughts in there. I'd appreciate that because like I'm not an ideas guy. I'm very much the technical, just engine person. So if anybody has any cool ideas they want to do, it's kind of going for like a meme aesthetic, okay? So like at least for now, I don't know. I don't really have any set idea of what the game should look like in the end. I have some, I'd like it to be like a Souls game in first person in space, that kind of thing. But like anything beyond that, you guys can kind of go wild with ideas. Yeah, you can shoot. If you shoot the wall and the bullet bounces back, it'll kill you. You
Yeah,
can
I
try
figured
that.
that out.
Well,
If I shoot up and it falls down on me, oh, never mind.
you can't look up all the way just because like most games don't. But I could change that. I don't know.
I
That
don't
would
think
be
it's
kind of
needed.
funny.
It's just Salt wanted me to try and shoot up.
So yeah, go ahead and shoot the wall and see if you can kill yourself. There you go. Look at that. Oh yeah, there's a minor bug there. Okay, don't I'll fix it. Bullets sometimes go through walls, but
Yeah, I think that crashing when you die, that's kind of something that should be fixed. Probably not.
no. What?
No,
What do
that's
you mean?
I don't know if that's you know.
What? You think that should be fixed? No,
Yeah.
that's the worst idea. I
Are you saying it's a
think you're wrong
feature,
about that one.
not a bug?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Uh-huh. All right, just pick up the item, and then I think that's kind of pretty much it. That's all I have in the demo, at least. There's so much, again, like in the game engine itself that I'm not showing in this demo. Like there's an insane amount of stuff that I've been working on. But
You know what,
yeah.
Noot? Maybe when you die, it should like delete the game as well. It needs to be hardcore.
True. Like that's another thing. I'm not sure if I want this to be like a roguelike, for example. Because I do have a saving infrastructure built in. Like you guys have no idea how much I put into this. That is not being shown here. Like every single thing is being streamed into a, so you could easily load and save like on the spot. So like I could have it not be a roguelike. All right, yeah, go ahead and pick it up. This is just a little like you'll see. It's just a little thing to show what you could have. So if you switch to it on your inventory, so like it's a little light source, okay? Just don't unequip it because that does not work.
What happens
But
when I
like if
press
you
the
right
shoot?
click,
Yeah.
it's a gun, so you're gonna.
Oh, I can shoot with it?
Well, yeah. Um, yeah, isn't that cool? But like, it's a light source, so if you like move around, and look at how things like kind of cast shadow, I think it's just kind of cool. I had some ideas of like maybe having something follow you around, like a balloon that is like a light source. I think that would be a really cool idea for like an ability or like something you could unlock as part of the leveling up. But like, I really want to like just be creative with this. I think if you guys have any cool ideas for I think that'd be pretty cool. And show people the shower again, in case they didn't see the shower. I think I like the shower. It's just something I haven't. Are you lost again?
No, I'm not lost, okay? I'm exploring.
Yeah, there's not much to explore. Again, guys, I mean, this is the day, this demo, okay? It's just a little showcase of like, look at that, look how good that looks. Like, there's a lot of opportunity here for like, you know, something that can look really cool. I'm not an artist, so it's very much an artist bottleneck right now. But like, I don't know. I think the game, the tech that's there can, you know, can be pretty cool. So yeah, again, guys, thank you for watching. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. There's that other area, but there's nothing. Look at the ship terminal really fast because it's broken. You didn't see that it was broken before. Now that you have a light that you can carry around, I probably should have just showed you before that you can carry a light around it. That's good. Look at that. See, it's broken, and then once you fixed it, it was repaired. So like, it's super easy for me to do stuff like this, where like this little quest line where you kill a pig, you get money for it, you pay the guy to repair the ship terminal, you take the ship to the boss. You know, it's like I added that in a day, so it's like I could really be, I could make something pretty fully fledged. And keep in mind, like the scale of this can be like kind of limitless. I really want to be able to like traverse to other space stations, and have enemies that you encounter that are also flying their own spaceships and stuff. Like that stuff is all pretty much ready to go. So it's pretty cool.
I can't wait for the
Oh yeah,
not safe for W mods. That's what I'm looking forward for.
true. Okay, and also on everything,
Mods.
this game is gonna be very easy to mod. So if like people could very easily do that. Go look at the pig with the light because like it was so dark and big. But just to see the animation, because like every enemy like has animations and stuff, which are just as smooth as that boss was. So I don't know. And they're just scuffed animations that I made, scuffed models, like if we actually do something for the, don't fall off. Then it could actually look really cool. It could be like, Souls level of animation. Like,
Oh shit.
see, it's
Yeah, I see much more detail now.
yeah, and if you get away from it, so like this thing will actually pathfind to you. If you run
Oh
away,
shit.
if you run away from it, it's good. Well done. If you run away from it, it'll pathfind to you. So it's like there's so much going on that is kind of hard to tell, but it's enough to make it like a real game. So like pathfinding is already like and that was like a super simple like way of doing AI for the enemy. So like I can have it be more complex too eventually. But like it's really cool. It'll pathfind to you and then attack you if you go too far away. It'll go back to its spawn point. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. This is kind of like it's kind of ready to go.
Any questions in chat? Any questions for the dev?
I think I missed a lot of stuff in chat. I'll go through again after this meeting that I'm about to be in, and say in chat what my answer is if I missed something important.
Sounds cool.
Yeah. Thank you again, Joax. I appreciate you using. I do want you guys to this. It's not just a salt. No, salt. I'm not. Okay, there. The truth comes out.
Clip
Anyway,
it and
I
ship
want
it
you
to
guys.
her, Salt. Clip it and ship it to her.
I want you guys to be involved with this too. It's not just something I'm working on. I want you to be involved with the easy stuff. Because I don't want to say easy because art is hard in its own way. But like, it would be cool if you guys could, have ideas and art and music stuff like that because it's super easy for me to add it. Okay, it's like really easy. Everything is like just ready to go. So I think that would be neat if this was more of a community project. And also back to the DGG or I guess chatter tier list. I don't know if I should rename it. I don't know.
You're cutting out. You're cutting out a bit.
Oh, okay. Hello.
Yeah.
A lot of people are kind of leaving DGG. I feel like Cat left or something. I don't know. So like I don't know if I should rename it from official DGG user ranking. It's like a generic user ranking. I don't know. But like if you guys wanted to vote, I can link the game chat and you guys can vote in the game if you guys wanted to.
Yeah.
I think that'd be pretty cool. Because like it's all stored in a database, so it's kind of pretty official.
A couple more streams
yeah.
at this rate, and maybe I'll be big enough for it to be the Just Jokes tier list, Just Jokes community tier list. I'm almost there.
True. Oh, Cat is in DGG. Okay. Yeah, I'll leave it as DGG then. But yeah. Wait, Jokes, you didn't finish your voting. You need to expose your voting technique. That's it. Just Jokes and egads. That's it.
Oh wait, I thought you mentioned earlier you only had 2 votes.
Oh no. You can only vote for each chatter once. I think I mentioned you could add chatters. I didn't add functionality yet. So if you want to add people to it, or if you want to be added to the tier list, just message me and I can quickly add you to it. So yeah, but you can vote for anybody.
Yeah, okay. I don't want to start a lot of drama right now, okay? I'm not a drama streamer.
Okay, awesome. Oh, okay. I have a meeting in 2 minutes. So thank you for beating the game in time. Okay, I appreciate that. You didn't spend an hour in the ship.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And Liv is in your list. It was right there. And if you so Liv in the game, you can vote for chatters. It's like a collaborative chatter voting. I just thought that would be a cool little feature. I just made it real fast. Anyway, thank you guys again. I am gonna head out because I have a meeting. Thank you again, Joax. I appreciate it.
Of course.
And thank you everyone for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.